How to calculate bunker. In this video, I will explain the process of calculating bunker or formula required to calculate the bunker. On ship, for TME, always calculate bunker, or it is also duty of fourth engineer to calculate bunker. When you will take bunkering, at that time you have to calculate, or on the regular basis you have to calculate capacity of tank or fuel in the tank. Then you require some formula. So let us start. To calculate bunker, you need basic formula: density is equal to mass divided by volume. That means mass equal to density into volume. Here you have to understand the unit. Understand? Mass in ton, that is in metric ton. Density kg per meter cube, volume in the meter cube. So first I want to explain that there is a tank for bunker. Then how can you know the volume? To know the volume, you have a special type of book that is called sounding table, sounding book. And to take sounding, you need sounding tape. Okay, first you need sounding tape. You will take sounding of tank, then you will get in centimeter. On tape it is on centimeter. So from sounding table you calculate volume of how much volume is in the of how much volume of fuel in the tank. Let us see first sounding table. You understand formula: density formula, basic density formula. You need sounding tape, then sounding table. First you take sounding by sounding tape, and now after that you have to take need sounding table. After that you need formula, this formula, and very important, that is density, because with increased density volume of fuel will changes. So as we know that mass is equal to density into volume. Then when we are calculating mass, then at particular temperature you should know density. Okay, when during bunkering or generally, density at 15 degrees Celsius is known. Density is known at 15 degrees Celsius, and you are at your ship is in the in India. Here generally temperature is 35 to 40. So density will change. At during calculation of bunker, you need density at 30 or whatever the temperature. So density at particular temperature is equal to density at 15 degrees Celsius. You can see the formula. You should remember this formula, because you need. But when you will on the ship using this formula, you get one fixed density, approx fixed density. Then when you will calculate, then you use that density. Okay, but or maybe density at 15 degrees Celsius is given, then at particular temperature you will get some fixed value. You can say constant. I want to say mass is equal to volume. Here density at 15 degrees Celsius, you know, and here K. What is the K? K is this value. Okay, either you know this formula, or in shape you will get some fixed value K, and you don't know how it comes. It comes from this. Okay, so you know. Now we will see the sounding table, how it looks. This is sounding table of a ship, in which here depth is given. When you from sounding tape, you will get sounding in centimeter or meter, but you need volume in meter cube. Then how do you know? On trim or even keel, volume is given. See, on even keel it is given, trim by head it is given. Okay, centimeter on even keel, on trim by stern. If water is filled in some tank, then ship may be trim by a stern or a head, may be least. So this value is given, and you have to know trim of your ship, and according to that you will see the volume. If your ship is trim by 0.5 meter cube, and when you take sounding you get 894 centimeter, then according to that you will get this volume. Okay, this is your volume. And one more things you should also know, on some ship sounding table is given in the form of like this. This is centimeter in the gap of 5 centimeter. If you get sounding 883, then how can you calculate volume? Then you have to use unitary method. I want to show here. 100 and 105 volume is given. I am only showing example. On even keel, trim, everything is mentioned, but I am showing here on even keel. On even keel your volume is some 500 think, and here it is 700, and you gave it centimeter 103. Then how can you calculate? Then you have to use unitary method. Okay, first you calculate for 1 centimeter how volume changes. Let us see. On 5 gap you will get difference of 200. Okay, that is divided by 5, then you get 40. For 1 centimeter 40 difference, and there is difference how much? 2. 100 plus 3, that means 3. Then what you get? 3 unit. For 3 unit it will be 120. Now for 103 you have to add 500 plus 120. Okay, one time I want to explain. 100, 105, here it is 500, it is 700, and you get 103. Then what you have to do? Your answer will be 700. First you have to calculate for 1 centimeter, that is 5. Okay, divided by 5, then you will get 40 for 1 unit, and you have to increase 3 unit. For 3 unit it will be 120. Then what is your answer? 500 plus 120. Okay, 620 your answer. Or may you can go like this, you get 2 less, that means in reverse direction. For 2 you will get 80, then you have to do 700 minus 80, that you will get 620. Okay, then you can calculate volume on centimeter like this by using unitary method. Now you get my point. Then how can you take or how can you calculate how much fuel in your tank? First I want to explain like this. Sounding tape you get centimeter, then after that take sounding table. According to sounding table you will take volume. On even keel or on given trim you will get volume. And how can you calculate volume? If you get your sounding on between some like this, then you can calculate volume. Okay, you get the volume. Now you have to calculate mass, then use formula density into volume. Volume you get. Now density, in bunker notes density at 15 degrees Celsius is given. If density at some different temperature given, then use this formula. then you will get density at particular temperature, and then use the formula mass is equal to density into volume, then you will get the value in metric ton. Okay, this is the process of calculation of how much fuel is in your tank. Now you are taking bunker. Let's example. Okay, consider 285 metric ton of heavy fuel oil is planning to take in number 1 heavy fuel oil per tank. I have already mentioned settling tank or bunker line diagram of ship. You can watch the video. Okay, and having capacity 400 meter cube at trim of 0.50 meter cube. It is given that ship is on trim this and volume is this, and you have to take 285 metric ton of heavy fuel oil as a bunker in heavy fuel oil per tank. Then what you have to do? First you have to know the density at particular temperature. On bunker advice you can get density at 15 degrees Celsius. On bunker node density at 50 degrees Celsius is given. Temperature of fuel oil at time of pumping 15 degrees Celsius. Okay, 50 degrees Celsius. It is given on bunker nodes, and you have to know during pumping temperature will be more, because heavy fuel oil is very thick, it will not pump easily, so required temperature to pump out. So at particular temperature you have to know density. Then how do you calculate density? This is the process of calculating density at 15 degrees Celsius. Then you get density particular. Now in bunker calculation you have to know the volume of the tank, because you don't know how much volume it will be, then it may be overflow. So for that case, during bunkering you have to know the volume of your tank when you are taking bunker. Then there is the two process. Daily basis you have to know the how much fuel in your tank, and during bunkering, and you have to know how much volume it is. Understand what I am saying? On daily basis you have to know how much fuel in your tank. Okay, then process I already discussed. First calculate centimeter sounding with the help of sounding table volume, then use density formula. Now you are taking bunker, then you are taking fuel. You will fill how much you will fill in your tank. Then you have to know the capacity, and if you take take fuel, then how much centimeter filled, then you should know. So you are in the example you are taking 285, then you already know density. Okay, density, then according to that you will get this volume, and this is your volume. Then we will use sounding table on this volume, how much centimeter is filled in the tank. For this, now this is your volume, and trim is given 0.5 trim per. We will check how much this is. Then this is your centimeter, means 894 centimeter of fuel is filled, and capacity is 400. When you will check the capacity, then is somewhere more centimeter. Okay, so to know this we will calculate bunker. Okay, this is all about bunkering. One more time I want to say, on the daily basis you first with the help of sounding tape you will take when take sounding you will get centimeter. Now you have to change in meter cube using sounding table. How do you know? With trim, if it is on even scale, then you will take sounding table. With the help of sounding table you will take volume on even cube. If it is on trim, then on trim you will get volume. I also mentioned how we will calculate on if there is a difference, you will get somewhere centimeter in between 90 to 95, that means 93, 92. Then use unitary method. Okay, after getting volume, what you will do, you calculate mass, density into volume, and density you will know at particular temperature, you know the formula. Now you are taking bunkering, then you have you from company, you told that you take a bunker 5 ton or maybe 25 metric ton. You have to tell quantity, and according to quantity you have to take in which tank I have to take bunker. Okay, for this what we will do, we will density at 15 degrees Celsius we know, then we will do no density at pumping or at particular temperature. Okay, then we will calculate. Then now what we have to do, calculate volume. We will calculate volume, and using this volume, what we will do, take sounding table and we get centimeter. Okay, and this is all about bunker. Density vary with temperature, so you must know density at particular temperature. Okay, with vary of density, volume will be increase or decrease, then your centimeter also increase or decrease. Okay.